Hello everyone, today my channel. The 2025 Toyota Century is a masterpiece of luxury, tradition, and cutting-edge technology, designed for those who appreciate exclusivity and refinement. As Japan's most prestigious automobile, the latest Century continues its legacy with a modern twist, offering both a classic sedan and an all-new SUV variant. With meticulous craftsmanship and advanced engineering, Toyota has elevated the Century to new heights, catering to elite customers who demand the finest in comfort and performance. Powering the 2025 Century is a sophisticated 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system that ensures a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. This hybrid setup delivers smooth acceleration while maintaining an eco-friendly footprint, making it an ideal choice for those who value sustainability without compromising power. The hybrid powertrain is engineered to provide a nearly silent ride, enhancing the serene experience that Century owners expect. Whether driven by a chauffeur or enjoyed from the driver's seat, the Century offers an effortlessly refined journey. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Toyota Century offers an unparalleled level of luxury. Every detail is designed with precision, from handcrafted wood panels to premium leather upholstery. The spacious rear seats, tailored for dignitaries and executives, feature reclining capabilities, massage functions, and even an extendable ottoman for maximum relaxation. State-of-the-art infotainment and connectivity features ensure that passengers can work or unwind seamlessly while on the move. Advanced noise-cancelling technology further enhances the tranquil atmosphere, making the Century one of the quietest vehicles on the road. Toyota has also integrated the latest safety and driver assistance technologies into the Century, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The air suspension guarantees a plush ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The introduction of the SUV variant brings a new level of versatility while maintaining the elegance and exclusivity of the Century nameplate. With a higher seating position and increased practicality, the SUV appeals to modern luxury buyers who desire both presence and prestige. Exclusivity is a defining characteristic of the Century, as Toyota produces it in limited numbers, ensuring that it remains a rare and coveted vehicle. Each unit is hand-assembled with meticulous attention to detail, reinforcing its status as a true luxury automobile. Whether in sedan or SUV form, the 2025 Toyota Century stands as a symbol of sophistication and prestige, offering an unmatched combination of tradition, innovation, and world-class craftsmanship. This is more than just a car, it is an experience reserved for the few who seek the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Thanks very much.